In SO2 molecule, sulfur atom is. Sulfur electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. It is having 3d orbital also. In ground state, it is having 3s contains one lone pair. First of all, here outermost electronic configuration is 3s to 3p4. 3s contains one lone pair, 3p contains one lone pair and two unpaired electrons in ground state. Around sulfur, two oxygen atoms are there. Oxygen is divalent, so each oxygen will form the double bond with sulfur. So around sulfur total 4 bonds are there. For the formation of the 4 bonds, sulfur should contain 4 unpaired electrons. But in the ground state, sulfur is having only 2 unpaired electrons. So in first excited state, the electron present in the 3p orbital will enter into 3d orbital. So electron is exciting to 3d orbital from 3p orbital. When electron is excited from 3p orbital to 3d orbital, now it contains 4 unpaired electrons and 1 lone pair. So in first excited state, the sulfur can involve in the hybridization because it is containing the 4 unpaired electrons for the formation of the 4 bonds. And one more important point here, double bond means 1 sigma 1 pi bond. Pi bond should not be considered in hybridization. So for example here these two electrons, if they are forming the pi bonds, these two orbitals we should not take into the hybridization while considering the hybridization. Only we should consider the orbitals which are forming the sigma bonds. So here one s orbital and two p orbitals intermix to form one s orbital and two p orbitals intermix to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Out of these 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, 2 are having unpaired electrons. Those 2 unpaired electrons will form the sigma bonds with oxygen. And one orbital, one sp2 hybrid orbital is having the lone pair. So because of this lone pair, the shape of the molecule changes. The shape of the molecule here it is sp2 hybridization. Out of 3 pairs of electrons, one is lone pair, 2 are bond pairs. So the shape of the molecule is angular shape. So SO2 is undergoing hybridization in first excited state and its hybridization is sp2 and shape of the molecule is angular. Out of 3 pairs of electrons, 2 are bond pairs and 1 is lone pair. So for the given question, in SO2 molecule, sulfur atom is sp2 hybridized.